Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the drive type and backing up data because prevention saves time later. Once done, power down the PC, unplug it, and ground yourself to prevent static damage. Remove the case panel and locate the SSD. SATA drives mount in bays, NVMe slots sit on the motherboard. Make sure you have the correct cables or standoff. If you don't, pause and obtain them because attempting installation without proper hardware risks connection issues. You should remove the SSD carefully and inspect connectors for debris or damage. Cleaning with compressed air helps. Once removed, test the drive externally using a USB adapter or in another system to isolate the issue. This distinguishes drive failure from cabling or motherboard faults. If it works externally, reseat it in the original PC, swap cables, or use a different SATA port. Make sure BIOS or UEFI detects the drive. If not, check power delivery and slot settings because detection is fundamental. You finish by running manufacturer diagnostics and applying firmware updates, which often resolve compatibility or performance issues. If diagnostics show bad sectors or smart failures, clone salvageable data right away and prepare for warranty return or professional recovery. Once done, reinstall the SSD, enable OSI in BIOS for best performance, and verify OS boots. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.